Hi I'm Khandie. I'm a photographer here in Northampton, UK, and I'm going to talk to you about how Instagram Reels can boost your business, increase profitability, and get you more clients. So stay tuned. Let's get into this super quick. It's super quick, I promise you this. So Reels, if you don't know, are a new addition and an update on Instagram. Instagram is always updating. I apologise. It's just something we have to get through. Do not discount the reach of Instagram. Instagram and Facebook are now joined hands, and for a while now they've been in bed with each other. That sounds weird. But they are one of the largest platforms, and combined, if not the largest platform. Well, let's check some stats on that. So Reels are, if you like, short, small videos that you can have on your feed, even in your grid, that sort of entices people in, and that's what they're great for, enticing. So what can you put on a reel? Well, you could do behind the scenes footage of one of your shoots, or perhaps you making a product, or showing a client their images that they've got, the reaction. It's all about selling yourself without being me in it. So for me, I share a lot of shoots that I've done. I'll talk on them and do something like tips on how to get better imagery with your mobile phone. That's one coming soon. Or even I've seen fashion bloggers showing you their outfits for the day. Reels are an amazing way to get involved with your client base and potential client base, because it seems that these platforms are pushing Reels a lot harder than images, and people interact more because an image is just one dimension. It's just there on their phone, whereas a Reel has moving parts. It can have sound, it can have text overlays. It sounds a lot of involvement. It can be, but you can do it all on the app themselves, or you can record like I do the footage on a different app, import it in, very easy. It's basically upload like you do an image, and then add in the textures as I want, or add in anything else. It's a bit like, if you like, TikTok. And I think this is why Instagram have done it, because they saw how popular during the lockdown TikTok has become. So they've done their own. Now, obviously you can't put titles on it, so you need to do, I would highly recommend going into a third-party app, so InShot or whatever your video app is, and then going in and uploading it that way. Always select a cover. Reels are an amazing platform for you. Highly recommend you get involved in them. There are some content ideas for you. Introduce yourself in a reel, show behind the scenes footage, perhaps even get a client to talk about your reel. Okay, so this is just a short video to talk to you about Reels. It's not the most involved video, I realise, but I highly recommend, if you are not using Reels, you really need to get on it. Reels are definitely a place where my clients are interacting more. I put a reel up about wedding photography that I did during the lockdown when it first hit, and we could still photograph them. And it's had loads of people comment on how much they loved it and how much they'd like to book me as a wedding photographer. I did one of a blogger shoot I did. People loved it. Suddenly I'm getting more traction from my reels than I do just posting. And actually I've taken the opportunity just for a little while to stop posting images and post more reels and see what happened. And I will just tell you now, far more engagement. I'm not saying don't do it. Hiccups, don't do images, but do them. So let me know how you get on with Reels. If you want to see some examples, jump onto my Instagram. I'm just putting them up as I go. I've got a few ready to go. I've been slowly drip feeding through as I trial my way through, but highly recommend you get on Reels. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell button. I'll see you all soon. Bye.